In this video, how to use ClickUp for personal, I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp for personal organization. First, go to the ClickUp website or open the ClickUp app on your phone. Log into your account using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Now click the Create Space option. Give the space a name, for example, Personal. Click Continue to create the space. Inside the space, click Create List to create a task list. Enter a name for the list, such as Daily Tasks. Now click New Task to add a new task. Type the name of the task you need to complete. You can add a description with more details. You can also set a due date for the task. Click the Date option to select the deadline. You can organize tasks by priority level. Select priorities such as low, medium, or high. ClickUp also allows you to create subtasks. Click the task and choose the option to add subtasks. This helps break large tasks into smaller steps. You can also use the ClickUp calendar view. Click the calendar view to see tasks by date. This helps keep your schedule organized. Using ClickUp makes it easier to manage personal tasks. You can use it for studying, goals, and daily organization.